Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another daily market recap. Today, we are green again. I took two trades, and I'm 100% accurate on both of them. But I did have a slight annoying moment, but is what it is. So let's go and jump over to my screen share. So here we are, slowly rebuilding. We are up $10.50. And honestly, a pretty boring day. Not much has happened. I took my first trade at 7:02 and my last trade at 7:08. So, kind of just been chilling all day. So, if we go ahead and look at where I traded it. So, my first trade was the break of the $0.50 of 450, and I got in at 443 and out for like 9 cents of profit. And kind of getting back at what I've been talking about recently is just like the kind of my trading flaw right now, which is why someone left a comment, and I see his point because his point is very valid. I don't know if it's just my mental game, which is weak, but he said, why don't I use like the 1 minute chart more? And I do use it. I just think it is easier to show where like entries at half and whole dollars are at on a 10-second chart. But he did bring up a good point in that like these 1 minute charts, they tend to give somewhat more accurate of a resolution in like the patterns themselves. But I think now that I think about it a little bit more, because I initially was like, oh, I don't really ever see them resolve that well for me. But I think a big part of that is just my like if I'm in a trade, I don't really hold it for more than like 20 or 30 seconds. Like it's in and out. And a lot of the times, like if you look on a 1 minute bull flag, you obviously have to wait 2 or 3 minutes to get that full resolution. And sometimes if you're trying to keep a very tight stop, that can go down and touch your stop very quickly and then just go right back up. So maybe that's just part of like just trying to get over the little bit of a mental hurdle rather than anything technical. But yeah, I think that's going to be something that I need to work on improving is just letting the pattern resolve a little bit more. Sometimes we'll get like here, this could have been a bull flag, but this big topping tail kind of just kind of was like, no, I'm good. What did we get a bull flag? No, it wasn't really anything any better on the 5 minute. But yeah, so I got a trade there, and then I also got a dip off of 5. So, oh, go back to your home. So when I got on this entry at 450, I was looking to see if we can get a bounce immediately to the high, which it ended up doing, but that's after 4.5 minutes, or 5 minutes. So I wasn't going to be in the trade that long, and I would have gotten stopped out because of this bottoming tail, anyways. So that's kind of another reason why I just like taking my profit on quick bursts. But it does hurt me. It does hurt my profit loss. So gonna have to work on that. So I was waiting for this break of 5. It broke, and we got up a high up to 448. And I was looking to get a dip back off 5. I got 507 to 518 or something like that. So another 4 or 5 cents or 10ish cents to share. But yeah, that is my day for today, finishing up $10.50. Let me know how you guys did in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.